We are on the final stretch of the Summer Wildflowers bead along with these Shasta daisies. The goal is to make this Summer Wildflowers arrangement. For lesson 1 today, we'll be working on the petals. Coming up. Hello my beautiful people, I'm Fen Lee, designer here at the Bead Flora studio and author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. If this is our first time meeting, welcome to the French beading community. Check out the playlist if you like to learn how to make bead and wire flowers. I know how overwhelming it can be to start a new craft, so I put together some affordable beginner kits in my Etsy shop. This week, we'll be finishing up the daisies for the Summer Wildflowers arrangement. All the materials are listed in the description below. I also put together a kit if you like to use these same beads I am using. Now, let's make the petals. First, we're going to make the petals, and I already have the white beads strung on a spool of 24 gauge silver wire. So let's unwind this here. So first, we're going to leave about a 3-inch tail, just eyeball it about here. And the pattern calls for 18 2-inch continuous crossover loops. So we're just going to measure out 2 inches of beads here. Pinch this. Bring the wire up or bend it up. Push all the beads down. Bend this down along the back. Now push the beads up to cover the back wire here. It's okay if you see just a little bit of wire here. Remove any excess beads and then wrap around. Now we're going to make another 2-inch continuous crossover loop. So I have 18 of these petals made, so let's cut another tail off of the spool. So now let's take the 2 tails and twist them together at the base, just slightly. Just a little bit. And then what we're going to do is reposition one of the tails over here so that it is a lot more stable when we assemble. So bend one of the petals up, take the tail, wrap it around the base. In the next lesson, we'll be working on the center. If you make any of my flowers, I always love seeing them. Tag me on Instagram or Facebook, and I may feature it in a future video. Also, join me in the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers Facebook group to join the community of French beaders to show off your flowers. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.